Hi, Cardinals. This is your phonics assignment for the day. So the first thing that you need to do is read the directions. Let's read them together. The directions say, fill in the chart below. So this is the chart that you will be filling in. It says word and root word. I will explain to you soon what that exactly means. So the next part of our directions say, look at the words undo, refill, reuse, and disagree. Okay? And those are in the left column of the chart. This is called a column. So this chart has two columns. This is the left column. This is the right column. Okay? So the next thing that we need to do is read the second part of our directions, which is write the root word for each in the column on the right side. So on this side, we need to figure out the root word. So we first need to understand what is a root word. Okay? Then we need to write a sentence using each of our words. So you can write at least 4 sentences. There is room to write, I believe, 7. So you can almost use all of these words and all of these words here. So let's first decide what is a word and what is a root word. Let's take a look at our first word here. Our first word here says undo. So I'm going to write that down right here, undo. So the first thing that we need to decide is, what is the root word of undo? So think about it for a second and think about the word that you know more in that word right here. And that is going to be the word do. We use that word a lot, to do something. Okay, we can say, I do my homework, I do my work at home, I like to do lots of things. These are examples of the word do. So when we put the word sorry, my pen is running out, right there, we're changing the word a little bit. We are changing the word do. So the word is going to change the meaning a lot. And the way that it changes it is it shows us that that's going to change this word right here. So the word means to do something differently, to undo it. So, for example, if I have my hair like this is my hair, and if I undo my hair, I'm going to take it down, okay? That would be undoing my hair. So when you undo something, you do it in a different way so that it's not the same. So that would be the meaning of the word undo. Let's take a look at another one. You ready? Refill. That is the second word right here. Refill. So in this word, we need to find the root word. Now the root word is basically this word right here, fill. And this is the part of the word, the beginning 2 letters, that changes this meaning. So the meaning of fill, if I have my water bottle here, this is my water bottle. If I have my water bottle here, and I say, fill up this water bottle. So I would take water, and I would fill up my water bottle. Now let's say I drink all of my water, and there's no more water. Then what I could say is, Ms. Garcia, please refill my water bottle. So that's different than fill. And it's different because that means that it needs to be filled a second time. So we can think of another couple words that have that right there. So I can think of the word redo Okay, that's right here. So again, there's our root word, do. And if we put the re right in front of it, that means to do something again. Okay, so the next word on our list is the word reuse. So our root word in reuse, if I write that down right here, reuse. Our root word in reuse is use. And then we've got that re again. So that means to use something again. So for example, I reuse my pens every day until they run out. I don't just use them one time, I reuse them, okay? And our next word is disagree. So first we have to find the root word, which we're going to write in our chart. And that would be the word, let's write it down here, disagree. So let's try to find the root word first. Now remember, that's going to change, this part is going to change this word right here. So this here would be the root word, agree. We know that word. I agree with you or I disagree with you. Okay? So when you agree with someone, it's that you think that what they're saying is right. So I agree with you. I agree to go to school. I agree to go to the park. Those are things that we want to do. They're things that we agree to. When we say I disagree with something, that means that we do not agree. So if we put this right before the word agree, that means that we don't agree. So we don't have to say, I do not agree. We can actually say, I disagree. And it says the same thing. So another example of that would be the word dislike. Now there's our root word, like. There's our root word. And we all know what that means. I like to do something. I like to go to school. I like ice cream. Those are things that I like. If I wanted to say I did not like something, I don't have to say I do not like ice cream or I do not like soccer, for example. I could say I dislike ice cream or I dislike soccer. So it's just another way for us to write better and for us to understand what root words are and how we can build on those root words. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill out this chart, and then here you're going to write sentences that go with these words. Now you can use from this column or you can use from your root word column, okay? It's really up to you. If you have any questions, don't forget to write your name in your paper. And if you have any questions, you can watch this video again and you can ask me, okay? Thanks.